Imagine this: you're on a business trip, enjoying a delicious dinner, and suddenly, the thought of expense reports hits you like a ton of bricks. You're overwhelmed by the idea of manually tracking receipts, filling out forms, and waiting for reimbursement. But what if there was a simpler way? What if there was a tool that could automate the entire process, saving you time, stress, and maybe even a little sanity? Problem: that's where Expensify comes in. It's a popular expense management app that promises to streamline the process and make your life easier. But is it really as user-friendly as they claim? Solution: in this video, we're going to dive deep into Expensify and find out if it's truly a game-changer or just another overhyped tool. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to the reimbursement process, and we'll share our honest thoughts and experiences. Let's start by setting up Expensify. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account. This is a pretty straightforward process that should take only a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This will allow Expensify to automatically import your transactions, saving you time and effort. Now, let's talk about the core of Expensify: expense tracking. The app offers a few different ways to track your expenses. You can manually enter them, take photos of your receipts, or use the built-in scanner. The scanner is a particularly handy feature that can accurately extract information from your receipts, including the date, merchant, and amount. Yes. The app uses machine learning to identify common categories like meals, transportation, and lodging. This can be a great time saver, as you won't have to manually assign categories to every transaction. Once you've tracked all of your expenses, it's time to submit your expense report. Expensify makes this process easy by automatically generating a report based on your tracked expenses. You can then review and submit the report to your company for reimbursement. But how does Expensify compare to other expense management apps? Well, there are certainly other options out there, but Expensify has a few advantages. For starters, it's very user-friendly and easy to navigate. The app also offers a variety of features, including mileage tracking, policy compliance, and multi-currency support. So, is Expensify easy to use? In my opinion, yes, it definitely is. The app is well-designed and intuitive, and it can save you a lot of time and hassle when it comes to expense management. If you're looking for a way to simplify your expense reporting process, I highly recommend giving Expensify a try. You can download the app for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.